Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to set up a Windows account without using Microsoft account. So first thing I want to mention is that you don't connect to the network, Wi-Fi network, and if you already are connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can either turn off the router or leave the area to the place where router signal is unreachable, so you get disconnected from the router and then continue with the next following steps. Okay, so first of all, use Shift and F10 buttons together. Shift button and F10 button. Press them at the same time, and if they don't open the CMD window for you, then use FN key and escape button together. Press them press them once so the light on the escape button appears. Okay, and then what you have to do is input the following command into this window, which is gonna be okay. I didn't mention that to switch to this window you have to use Alt Tab combination of keys. So Alt plus Tab, select the CMD window, then release the buttons, and in this window input WOOBE backslash bypass and row. So WOOBE backslash bypass and row. Enter this command, then press enter and wait until your device is restarted. Okay, and right now we have to continue the setup process, basically started from the beginning. So first of all, select the right country or region for you, and then click yes. And in the following window, select the right keyboard layout for your device, and then click yes again. And if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you have to click right here, add layout, but otherwise you can skip. And right now select I don't have internet button, which appears right here. Okay, and input the name of the device or the account's name in this field, press enter, and then you can create a password for your device, but you basically don't have to do this. You can simply press enter or click next, but if you want to enter the password, then confirm it in the following window, and then click next. Okay, on the following screen you'll have to choose privacy settings for your device. Now I usually go with location, which allows me to see weather and directions and local news, and find my device feature for finding my device in case it's lost or stolen, and the other options I usually switch them to no. Diagnostic data and inking and typing, tailored experience, advertising ID, all of them use your personal data to collect your personal data for research or something, or for creating some experiences for you. So basically you can check each of the options for yourself and decide which one is you want to save and which ones you want to turn off, and then click accept once you're done, and then just wait a couple of minutes. And after a couple of minutes the setup will be done. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel. leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.